Arasisi lokosoroti Peter Pex Park nesi echoraki akerakalu kote soka karamoja aisach aswam Iboro itolitolete Atalanta na kech na Adingirirak Park nesi abala ebe ayelona mameyo ara ay matalu itemerete ka iguru punulu arokoko kesi iche boro lu edupo akerakalu ipu etwaki arete arereng sine kech kosodi doe chaniti da aridakini kesi abungesi keunu kotoma subana nu etege ara atukokini na Adingirirak na Ajaikina osomerolo teso college aloe
and practice and professionalize your talent. The other thing on add is that you need to also ensure that you have got a healthy living. Young people, you get exposed, you get misguided easily. HIV/AIDS is still available. That discipline of not touching your sister or your brother should be there. You have come here for a purpose to train and go home. So you should avoid behaviors that can also cause problems to your health. The issue of alcoholism. So sometimes these behaviors can affect your career. But the company can also bring you. You get a friend who doesn't have interest in sports, you become lazy like him or her.
Paperare na atukokini na soditi na Adingirirak iche tungada ineritos.
Athletics is not just about running around the field or following the tracks, throwing javelin and so on, but it's about discovering the strength within yourself that you never knew about. This training you see here, it's not just taking you to run around the field and so on, but it helps you discover the skills which have been hiding in you. That's exactly what you eventually excel. Training makes you perfect. Some of us may not have the opportunity to cross to Kenya or elsewhere for further training, but you can train from within and become stars.
So when we were hosted in State House in Kevin, I wrote a small memo to His Excellency the President to tell him the truth that while we are doing this, while we are winning these medals, we have no support from governments. We do this by self-sacrifice as a federation, as volunteers. From that time forth, he directed the government to grant Uganda Athletics Federation 350 million per year to support our activities. Supporting national federations started with athletics, even football came later. Then secondly, he said all the athletes who win medals in Africa and the world should be given a stipend from State House of 1 million shillings every month. Then thirdly, he said the forces should take up the excellent athletes so that they are able to earn, so that they have a stable income, they are able to train, they have a place of abode, and they are supported. So he directed all the forces to take up these athletes. That was the time it came. Then he then talked about the high altitude training center at Teriet.
Count myself the luckiest, we count ourselves the luckiest to be chosen among the first, to be in the first count. So we are really grateful about it, that may the good Lord keep giving you the intelligence, the knowledge, and that hope, the love for sports, that as this sports continues, there are really young stars coming up. As the top ones are leaving, we shall be there to replace them.
Kanuka TV East, Solomon Ramu Koibuga Soroti.